Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a grocery haul and pantry refrigerator reset. Just a quick clean with me, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. And guys, if you are new here and you enjoy homemaking and content, please do consider subscribing. I love for you guys to join the family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe bell down below so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I post a video. And please do leave a like and a comment. Thank you all. Have a blessed day and enjoy the video. So we got 2 bags of oranges, a sharp cheddar, provolone, medium cheddar, pepper jack, 2 of these I can't believe it's butter, the spray one, iceberg lettuce, some spinach, some Fruit Loops for Tiana. We got some lunch meat. Alright, we have some Chef's Blend mushrooms, 2 of those, some bananas, 3 things of shredded carrots, ready to eat carrots, 2 things of Quaker oats, we got 2 things of ocean spray. We got the cran ponga nut and the cran grape, 2 of my favorite flavors. We got this cup wash and toss sippy cup for Talia, 2 Gerber juice. This one is a pear and this one is a strawberry kiwi. Got 2 things of chicken drumsticks, some sweet potatoes, some lemon, 4 things of cucumbers, some beetroot, some more potatoes because we do eat a lot of potatoes, 2 things of beef. I'm going to put these in the crock pot. 2 things. We got an Italian sliced bread and we got the potato bread. These are my absolute favorite. We got a thing of pork. This is $41.70 something, and we got a couple more Pediasure for Tiana, the chocolate brand, because that's the only one she drinks, and these have been hard to find lately. And we paid $332 in total for this. So guys, my next video will be a complete disaster clean with me. It'll be cleaning after, as well, I'm not sure, but cleaning up after the flu, and I will be sanitizing and disinfecting the entire house and everything in it. So definitely look out for that video next week. I'm about to come to the end of this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget, please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed weekend, y'all. Love you guys.